UPS and FedEx are doing just fine, right? No, they are. I mean, it's the post office that's always having problems.
Obama was right to compare the post office with his proposed role for the government in healthcare. Like healthcare, the Postal Service was justified by a desire for universal service. And after the post office became a black hole for taxpayer money for generations, it was spun off to operate as a private company with the government granted monopoly.
The public option has to be self-sustaining, meaning taxpayers aren't subsidizing it, but it has to run on charging premiums and providing good services.
What Obama's suggesting for healthcare's public option was already done with the post office in 1970. Why is the post office always struggling, and what lessons will be repeated in healthcare if we don't learn from its history? Because of the outrageous prices the USPS charged in the 1840s, Lysander Spooner founded a private company to deliver mail in 1844. His business model was efficient and much cheaper than the USPS, so the post office went to Congress and had him legislated away. Do you think the public option is going to be any more open to competition than the USPS is? But just so long as they do their job well, it's okay, right? Well, let's look at how well the USPS performs its job by comparison. UPS delivers more than 15 million packages a day worldwide, and FedEx 3.5 million. Also, the USPS undercuts the private companies it's in direct competition with by subsidizing its package delivery by raising the price on letters. But still people choose the two other companies. Even after it was supposedly a private entity, it has continued to suck money for the last 167 years. $3 billion a year with a limit of $15 billion. So that means it loses roughly $8,219,178 a day. But we really need it, right? Wrong. Most of the core functions of the post office have been taken over by email, text messages, and social networking sites.
The government is basically being subsidized by the taxpayers so that even if they're not providing a good deal, we keep on having to pony out more and more money.
The Pony Express ceased when it was made obsolete by the telegraph, but we keep ponying up money for the post office. The USPS continues to outlive its usefulness and drain taxpayer money because of its government monopoly. Letter delivery isn't brain surgery. Do you want brain surgeons acting like postal workers? Yet for the goal of universal health insurance, the same government that has run the post office wants to create a subsidized bureaucracy to compete with private companies, just like the post office.
UPS and FedEx are doing just fine, right? No, they are. I mean, it's the post office that's always having problems.
Exactly.